Today I talked about a case of domestic violence in Surprise, Arizona, where a father held a mother and a baby hostage for many hours. The house caught on fire. There was another case in Surprise yesterday related to family law. Parents were in the middle of a divorce, and a father shot himself and his 2 children. There was a pending psych evaluation ordered by the family court, but it appears that the father was given unsupervised visitation or unsupervised parenting time with his children. Obviously, there is family court issues here where the family court failed to protect this child, and the court records aren't public, but the docket is, and we can see where the mom filed for emergency temporary orders and emergency custody. I talked in another video today about liability. So we can't expect that our legislature is going to make a dent in the gun violence. It's not going to happen, or it would have, right? We've been dealing with this for 20 years. But the other option is liability. If there was liability for gun manufacturers or gun owners, if gun owners were strictly liable for however their gun was used, or whatever damage their gun created if used negligently, then what would happen is insurance companies, like homeowners insurance companies, would have to pay out on those claims. Homeowners insurance policies would become more and more expensive if you didn't have certain precautions in place for gun ownership. So one way to backdoor get more responsible gun ownership might be through liability and lawsuits, although there is a lot of protection against liability by the gun manufacturers and gun owners so far with our laws. But maybe if lawmakers are not comfortable putting laws in place restricting the use of guns or the sale of guns, maybe they would be more comfortable putting in place laws regarding liability for when gun ownership goes wrong. What do you think?